We got a little bit warmer day. It's about 60 degrees, not super warm, but nice enough to be outside at least. The rain has stopped, and so I'm getting out here in the garden. Here's what I'm up to today. I am gonna transform this empty bed into an onion bed. The bed that's behind me was supposed to be my bed of tulips and daffodils and other bulb flowers that we planted in the fall, and the voles got in there and ate most of them. There's a couple back here that grew, but that is it. So I'm going to turn this sad empty bed into something awesome. Step one, I'm going to take the straw off the top of the bed. I just raked the straw off the top of the bed, and I just raked it off to the side because I'm going to reuse it. Step one complete. Step two, I'm going to freshen up this bed with some compost. Now I'm going to take some of our 12-12-12 fertilizer and sprinkle it in on our bed that we're making. Here's what I'm up to today. I am gonna transform this empty bed into an onion bed. I'm gonna take my super high-tech trenching stick and make some trenches to put the onion sets in. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one kind of onions on this end, and if you see, the only flowers that popped up out of here are kind of in the middle. So I'm going to do one kind of onion on one side of those and one kind of onion on the other side. I'm going to take the onion sets, put them in the trenches about 3 to 4 inches apart, and put the pointy end up. Got the yellow onions in on this end, and I'm going to put the white onions down on this end.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time.
All right, the onion sets are in. The only thing left to do is cover them with dirt and then recover them with the straw.
Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do.
And there you have it, onion sets planted for 2023. If I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching. We will catch you on the next one.
Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free.